Hello, friends. Today I have come up with a very interesting and most discussed topic, and I think many students must be having this question in mind and struggling because of that. Why should I learn music? So, I think besides giving you an introduction which will kind of make you bored, I would like to make a statement here that music lies within you, it is there, it is existing, it is already there within you. Now, why I'm saying this? Because just try to memorize your own daily routine. Okay, what you do? You get up in the morning in rhythm, then you go and brush your teeth in rhythm, then you have your breakfast in rhythm. Your wife prepares your breakfast in rhythm. Then you drive your car to the office in rhythm. What do you do? Then you walk in rhythm. You also talk over a phone in rhythm. You also fight in rhythm. So, don't you think you should explore yourself more? See, now what is music? Then it is a perfect blend of rhythm, notes, that is just 12 notes, and your own creative thinking or your own imagination that forms a perfect concept known as music. So, how will you enrich yourself musically? So, as I said earlier, you have rhythm within you because you perform your daily activities in rhythm. Then, what about those 12 notes? Do, re, mi, fa. You have to learn it. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. You have to learn. Who will make you understand these things? There comes into picture the tutor or the guru or your mentor because he has learned the same thing from his tutor and he will pass it on to you. Therefore, in music, it is very important to learn those things from a very qualified or very experienced person because music can be gained by experience only because your own creative and creative thinking makes it different from others. You have your own voice, your own texture, your own thinking. So that is one reason I'm telling that music lies within you. Will make you explore. Your mentors, your teachers or tutors will make you explore. But it is also up to a certain extent. A perfect guru, mentor, tutor, or teacher will develop an insight into the various concepts related to music. Those concepts are the technical and the performing aspect. Both the aspects, according to me or according to several musicians, are equally important because once you develop your technique, then you can perform fluently right away. So, after learning these concepts, you will have to think over it. So, you are the one who will think upon what has been taught, and after thinking over it for like a decade, consider this time span. Uh, After thinking over it for like a decade, you may introduce your own style. So, therefore, it is said that music has to be introduced in a very tender age because considering this time span, one has to be introduced to music in a very tender age. So, I think it is now very clear that music is within you, and if you explore it, then it will offer many benefits to you. What are those benefits? I am covering it up in our next slide. But just before going to the next slide, I would like to ask you a few questions. Did you think before taking admission into a college after your 10th or 12th grade? Or did your parents think before admitting you into a school? I mean, it was very obvious that they will admit you anyways, or you will take admission into a college after having passed your 10th. So, my point is there is no exact reason behind learning music because when music is within you, then just like you got admitted into a school effortlessly or without thinking about it, uh, why don't you try music in a similar way? Why don't you explore the music which is already existing, pre-existing within you? If you explore it, you will be benefited in many ways. What are those benefits, or why music is very important for you? That I'm going to explain in the slide, which you can see on your screen right now. My first point is to relax from day to day mechanical routine. So, as you're talking about routine, the routine has become so mechanical nowadays. You just wake up, then you do all your morning chores and get ready for the office. You go there, you work. Everything you do is for someone else. What you do for your own self, just think. When you're very furious about a particular thing, when you're angry, when you're disgusted, when like in these all situations, what you would do, either you will sit all alone in silence, or you would listen to music of your own choice. It means that music is a great stress buster. Okay, so coming to the point, when you listen to the music and you get relaxed so soon, just imagine if you learn music. What will happen? It will act as a great stress buster for you. So, after when you learn music, when you practice it every day, it takes you to another world. You forget about your stress, you forget about your mechanical routine, you forget about your past and bad experiences. So it ultimately adds to the positive things into your life. And uh, so the second point is also relatable to the first one. Music has to be learned in order to make yourself and others happy. So after learning music, the positivity is spread, and when you are positive, you also make others positive. Means when you're happy from within, you also try to make others happy. You will spread happiness. You will spread joy. So ultimately, you will make all the persons who will come and contact you very happy, and overall your own circle will be very positive. I think to spread joy and love, I think it has been covered in this topic only. So the fourth point is to meditate and increase your concentration and confidence. So after learning music, how my concentration level will increase. So while learning music, you get to know about the voice culture technique. Okay, so also if you are instrumental student, then also it is not bad to learn voice culture because it will add to your own information. So while learning voice culture, the first lesson is reciting Omkar. What is Omkar? It is related to pranayam. Pranayam is a topic related to yoga or meditation. So, while doing your riyaz or your regular practice, you are doing nothing but meditation because the first lesson that you perform is pranayam. It is all related to breathing. So, this omkar or voice culture exercises, they teach you how to bring your voice out effectively. That means the diaphragmatical or abdominal breathing. So these all things are closely related to pranayama or yoga. So by doing these all things, the concentration levels are going to increase. You should experience it, I think. And when your concentration levels are increased, you will do your own work. That means to-do list very effectively. It will be up to date. Your work, you will perform your work very confidently. So these all things are interlinked, I think. Means when you forget about your stress, your past, your bad experiences, like when you're relaxed and you practice music, then it will ultimately lead you towards a very healthy, a very positive life. To develop an insight into music as a subject. So, just like other subjects, science, commerce, engineering, music is also a subject. Music is closely related to arts. In my previous video, I mentioned a statement that music is a scientific art. So, why is it so? Because, see, when you're doing your chartered accountancy, you need to learn a few topics, few laws, and as soon as you clear all the levels, you become a chartered accountant. And after becoming one, yeah, it is obvious that you should keep yourselves abreast of the times. You should learn the new laws that are coming into picture. You have to keep yourself updated. But in music, especially in performing arts, you really don't have a set pattern or set levels which you can clear and become a musician. people will give you that title. You will have to keep on working on your deficiencies, on your positive points. uh, you will have to keep on working on these things. And when you perform frequently, when people will try when people will love your recitals, your renditions, people will give you the title Pandit or Vidwan. And this is the beauty of this music subject, because people will offer that thing to you. They will love you to that extent that they will come, they will appreciate your recitals. So of course music also has certain degrees, that is master of arts. Then you can appear into UGC net exams, which offers assistant professorship or junior research fellowship to you as soon as you clear it. But apart from these things, in order to you becoming a musician, you will have to practice hard. Now I think you must be able to understand the depth or gravity of this subject. So learning music will make you understand these all things, these all aspects. So what if you don't become a musician? You will be a good listener, and it's not at all a bad thing to be a good listener, because music appreciation or music critic is also a very vast topic to talk on. So these all benefits you can derive after learning music from good musicians, mentors or teachers. Our second last point is to know the power of sur or notes. We have already discussed it, I think, because when music can relax you, it makes you forget all your past, it makes you forget your deficiencies or your sorrows, it makes you very happy. And when you listen to music, what you experience extreme level of happiness, extreme sorrow. And it takes you out and it takes you to another world. So I think this is the power of music, isn't it? This topic of power of sur or notes has also different dimension. Here we discuss about it. You must have gone through the therapeutic aspect of music or music therapy. Okay, so what is it now? It is also scientifically proven. You can go through the research papers, and there are several courses available for you to learn music therapy. So, if the music can heal or cure certain diseases, when it gives you confidence, when it spreads joy, when it makes you happy, when it makes you forget all the bad experiences, your past, when it engages thousands or lakhs of people at the same time, it makes them happy, it makes them cry. I think to offer these all expressions or these all things to someone, or to make them experience these things, requires great power. So now I think you must be able to understand what is the potential of this subject. So this is an appeal to you all that please explore the music within you. This is a very interesting, potentially enriched subject that you must learn into the lifespan, and you must try to explore it because you already have it. Why not explore it then? So learn it and experience the extreme level of joy in your lives. I would like to tell you all that this is a very vast topic to talk on, the because music is such a subject on which I can talk like for hours. But I know that in present times it is not possible for you all to go through the long duration videos. So this is just a bird's eye view to make you aware about music, and I will be delivering such videos to you frequently. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to music, and also there will be some utility videos for you all. So please subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thank you very much.